Okay. We now have our Uber computer to drive our robot. So this is our new robot vehicle. The cool part about this particular robot vehicle is we're using this big old Yeti battery at 200X. So the great thing about this is you can plug in multiple USB connections, but you can also plug in a standard 110 connection. So I have this plugged into our new ASUS AS6, or I guess GEEKOM AS6. And so this little guy right here, it's over a 4 gigahertz processor. It has 32 gigs of DDR5 RAM, a 1 terabyte NVMe drive, Wi-Fi 6E, and a whole bunch of other cool stuff. And so I've installed Ubuntu onto it. And right now we're doing our basic tests using OpenCV. So see how it's detecting my face there? Relatively smooth. The light in here isn't so good, right? And so basically the first thing that I want to do is I want to create the super anti-Roosman drone. So before what I did was I created a cascade filter for OpenCV using Louis Rossman's logo, and using a crappy little Raspberry Pi, we were using OpenCV for the robot to auto track that logo. Now that's the thing, right? If you're gonna be tracking a Roosman, you can't go with no $50 computer. We want to go with the supercomputer here. So basically what I can do is I can actually plug an Arduino straight into this. So this is plugged into here. I can plug an Arduino into this. With a serial monitor, I can both send and receive information from the Arduino, so I can send commands. So with Python, depending on where his logo is, in the image, it can then tell the Arduino to either move left or to move right, to go forward or to go back. And basically it can send that information to the Arduino. The Arduino then transmits that to this thing called the H-bridge, and then hopefully we will have an ultra-fast Rossman tracking drone. So I don't know, we'll see. It's an experiment. We'll see how it goes. It does look like the AS6 burns through a little electricity. That was at 67% a few minutes ago. So I'm not sure how much power this thing is gonna drain. I only may get like an hour of power out of this robot with this particular AS6, but at least it'll prove the point. And that's the whole thing in life, right? It's all resource allocation. If I want it to run more than an hour, then I just give it a bigger battery pack. So I'm excited about this. Again, imagine powering our little robots with a 4 gigahertz processor with 32 gigs of RAM and the rest of it. That could be pretty cool, but we'll see. We'll see how this goes. So anyways, there you go. This thing came from GEEKOM. Again, I'm not giving a review yet because I don't know, but it's a GEEKOM AS6. I got the Ryzen 9, has the Radeon graphics in there, the rest of the stuff that I talked about. Came out to, I don't know, around $700 for this thing. But for what you get, and again, that form factor, if you want that really small form factor, I think it makes a lot of sense. So anyways, there you go. There's the new toy for today. If you like these videos, remember to give us a thumbs up. If you don't like these videos, give us a thumbs up. And yeah, I'll see y'all later.